Hey YouTube, JW. New knife in from BnB. These are some good folks. They sent me some product before and it's top notch. This is their new Crocodile folder. I like the name. I like stuff with names. Flipper, katana style blade on it. D2 blade steel. Hair popping sharp. Liner lock. Locks up very good. No blade play. Perfectly centered. Skull crusher. Glass breaker pommel. Spot for a lanyard there. Through design. Stainless steel frame. Very smooth. Super ergonomic. Overall length of this cat is 8 inches. Closed length 5. I forget what the weight is. I'll put it in the... It's not super heavy. I just forget off the top of my head what it is. I didn't write down the specs. I kind of just do it off the cuff. But I'll put all the specifications and the links in the description below. I thought it was somewhere around 5 ounces. But I've been carrying it and it's definitely not bad for EDC type knife. They've sent me knives in the past before. I think this is probably my favorite one yet. Super solid lockup, like I said. I definitely recommend it. I posted it on Instagram, but I like to carry it for a few days, you know, get a feel for it. And I definitely think this one is going to be in my... I have medium to large size hands. You can see how well that fits in my hand, reverse or regular grip. So yeah, definitely a winner. It is part number BnB 111495. BnB 11495. And BnB has a lifetime warranty. So yeah, the BnB Crocodile Flipper, JW approved. I want to thank them for sending this to me to take a look at. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.